Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. I'm going to start doing a new series of videos, not one after the other, of things I've never done. So this will be the first. Now, I've never put dried flowers in Aquacast. I'm sure plenty of people have, but that's what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to do one coaster in Aquacast, one in resin, and in fact I might make two. I'll see. I've not decided yet. I've got these dried flowers from Resiners. Beautiful they are. They come in all different colours. I have the purple range. Now, if anybody likes these flowers, I do have a discount code for Resiners in the description box below. Get yourself some pennies off. For the Aquacast one, I'm just going to arrange them in the mould. Now, I am pretty frightened about this for the simple reason, demold. If I lay them onto the silicone, we all know that silicone's quite sticky. Are the flowers going to pull out onto the mould when I pull the Aquacast out? But we'll find out together. This is the point of it. I've never done it, so let me try. So I'm going to speed you up for this bit because it's just arranging the flowers, and I know I can take quite a long time with this. If that one had come off. There we go. Brand new mould actually. I meant to say, by Moulds and Shapes. We all know the closing down, absolutely gutted. So I did order myself some new moulds. This one's the Cascade Coaster set. Right, that's all I'm going to do to it, and just hope and pray that they don't get loads of Aquacast underneath them, but I have a funny feeling that they are going to do. Right, I'm just pressing down, hopefully minimalise the chance of that, of the Aquacast going under. Ideally, would have been perfect if I put a layer of epoxy down, but that's defeating the object. I want to see if the Aquacast can lift it up. I'll go and get some Aquacast mixed up. I'm going to use this water-based colourant. It doesn't come out that colour, you'd have to put loads in, but I do want a nice green. Don't know if anybody saw the comparison video with these. This was absolutely beautiful in resin. I'm going to use that on the resin, hence why I chose this one for the Aquacast. I'll be back in a moment. Right, mix up 120 mils of resin. It is Teexpert epoxy resin. I'm going to pop a bit of Dazzling Diamonds into it. Excuse my arm, just a tiny bit. This is basically the front of the coaster. It's flying everywhere now. This has been through a debubbly. And I'm just going to pour a very thin layer. I just want something to adhere the flowers to, because there's 3 layers in these coasters. I want just the flowers to be in the first layer, but if that's not possible, then I will rethink it and maybe make the first 2 layers, but we'll see how it goes first. Right, I think that's enough. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to drizzle a bit on the top to hold everything down. I'm sorry, I was concentrating then. And hopefully that will just be that shelf, if you will. And I'll do the same to this one. I just hope they look pretty from the other side. Right, I think we've just got that shelf, which is good. Right, so we're just going to let it cure. I'm going to keep pushing them down, and then I'll see you back for the next layer. I've mixed up some more resin. I've left it for about 15 minutes just to thicken up, for the simple reason I want to put this crushed glass in, all mixture of colours. So I just want to sprinkle a little bit of resin all over. I'm absolutely desperate to have a look at that Aquacast, see if it's worked, if it's picked up the flowers or not, see if we can get it to the sides. It's thickened up a little bit, which is what I was after. Let that settle a little bit. Yeah, I thought I'd do the demold all together. Yeah, it's been driving me mad. I thought, can I just have a sneak peek and get away with it? No, I thought I better not. I'm just helping this to the edges. Needs an heat gun on it, that's for sure. If you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm going to the next layer of the mould and hoping it stays there. Right, I think I've managed it. So all I'm going to do is sprinkle them in. Just want a bit of something in that second layer without actually colouring it, because I will be colouring the back layer with a colour. Right, I think that's enough. I don't need to use a great lot of that. All I'm going to do now is put my heat gun on, try and get these stones where they should be, because I don't want them on that last layer without hurting the mould, because they are glass chippings, and we'll just let that cure. This is a pigment paste from Temu. I'm just going to pop a bit in. It's like a Grinch green, this. Believe it or not, this resin's been through a debubbler, but I mixed it that fast. It's tea time and I've got food on cooking. And I thought, well, I'll just put that last layer on and it's ready for tomorrow morning. Honestly, the things we do, eh? It is a lovely colour, this. Really lovely colour. I'm not going to put any sparkle in it or anything. I think there's enough going on in the top two coats. I can just leave this plain. Not going to be very deep, this last layer, so I think I'll put a bit more in. And we'll give that a pour. Right, I think that's it now. Very nicely done. Just a tiny bit left in the cup. I'm going to scrape that out, but I'll do that off shot. I'm going to spritz with alcohol before I do so, and I'll see you on demold. I can't wait. I know I've said it about 10 times, but I can't wait for that one. They're all cured now. We'll do these first. I'm a bit concerned about the colours, purple and this green. I was saying to the editor last night, it reminds me of a tracksuit I had in 80s when I was a teenager, and it was purple and lime green. I loved it so much. Let's have a look. Oh, it's pretty. It's pretty, I like it. Can't really see the leaves properly. That's a bit of a problem. Some trimming up needed. I'm really pleased with that. That's lovely. That one's not as nice, but still pretty. Right, this one's just plain. It was just the leftover Aquacast, but at least you can see the mould perfectly there, can't you? It's very nice. I like it. That needs waxing. Let's have a look. Let's see if it worked. I'm really concerned that all the Aquacast is underneath it. Oh, right. Oh, well, that's not too bad. The thing I was most concerned about was having to sand it, and in some places I am gonna have to sand it like there and there. This is having a top coat of epoxy, but it picked them up perfectly. Right, so I'm gonna let these dry, try and delicately sand in a few areas, obviously not that because that's where they're sticking up, and then we'll get to top coating it. As you can see, I've put a sticker on that one. I didn't want to leave it just plain, so that will need a top coat as well. I've got exactly the same resin. It's been through a debubbler, although it doesn't look like it. I'm going to drizzle it on the really open bits first. I did try sanding it. As you can see, two of the leaves came off and I was really delicate with it. So I didn't sand anymore after that. I'm going to take it to this edge very carefully that I don't move them flowers. Now I am expecting a few bubbles, especially on the deeper bits where the resin has to go inside the flowers. It's a shame about them two leaves.
10 billion years from now.
We've got a few bubbles everywhere, so I'm going to sit and babysit this for a while, and when they stop popping I'll pop it in the G3. I think we're slightly uneven. I will put a stick under that. I'll finish that off and I'll come back when it's cured. Well, that was a nightmare. As you can see, it just kept rising up, the flowers. I babysat it and babysat it and babysat it. What I think needs to happen here is I need to sand down the top layer and do another top coat. That one turned out alright, the top coat, but you can see the edge of the sticker. I'm not well pleased with that one. Somebody will love it, I'm sure. So the question is, can you put dried flowers in Aquacast? Yes and no is the answer. Yes, the Aquacast picked them up absolutely perfectly. Is it pretty? I like it, yeah. If you're going to do it, use single layered petals like that one. But this one had 2 layers of petals and that top layer just kept popping up for the top coat, and you can only dome it so much, can't you, before it runs off. I tried my best with it. But yeah, it is pretty, and yeah, it can be done. Is it hard work? Yes. Will I do it again? Possibly not, but I did get 2 nice epoxy coasters out of it. These are lovely. These are really lovely. I do like them. In fact, I'm so tempted to use them myself, but my living room's red. I think it would clash. I hope you've got something out of this video. I hope you've liked it. I will take some photos and leave them at the end for you. But give it a go if you want. Just be wary not to use double petaled flowers, because yeah, that was a nightmare. Thanks ever so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye.